Back at the cabin again. Today, hopefully, we're gonna be able to put in the window. You can see that with the big tree on top here. There's maybe about 10-12 inches of snow on the roof. When on the ground, there's about maybe 5 to give or take 4 feet, 4 or 5 feet. I always need to wear my snowshoes or I'll sink up to my waist. So it really makes a big difference having a little something catching the snow on top of me. Today we're gonna take that window over there and put it on this wall, hopefully. Yesterday I came and I screwed in all my walls and I nailed them down with 12-inch nails and 10-inch lag bolts. I still have to do behind the fireplace, and the window's gonna go right in the middle there between the pan and the fireplace. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated as we go along. Here's a new window in the cabin, probably an hour later. There's an absolute mess in here now. I have to clean everything. I'll bring a broom up next time. Yeah, there's just sawdust all over the floor. But now you could actually see something in here. All the cabin's fully enlightened now. That's good. I brought a few oil lanterns. Have one there. Have some bellows for the fire. The fire is blazing now. The logs are leaking. As you can see, this is probably one of the last logs we put, and it's just, see, all the wood's it's all soaking up because it's really wet. So we'll see this summer when everything dries out at like 40 degrees. Before it was just a plain wall, and now there's a window. So there you go. That's what it looks like for now. Looks decent. It's an old wood window, so it matches and everything, which is always a plus. I still need to figure out what I'll put in between the logs. Before spring comes and there's still snow, I might put like mortar or something in between the logs, or some type of, I don't know, like moss and clay, or I don't know, but I have to figure out something, and I have to figure it out soon because spring is coming pretty quick.